Okay, hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about how to understand kitchen cabinet styles. Now, as you look at kitchen cabinets, you have basically two types of styles that are prominent out there. There is the traditional look and there is a contemporary look. Now, in your traditional look, which we can see elements in this particular kitchen, you'll have a raised panel is something you'll see. Now, this is a raised panel which actually comes back out and is flush with the framing around the doors. And then this can also be in what we call a flat panel or a shaker style panel, which would be instead of having this detail around and the raised portion of it, it would actually just be a flat plain panel in here. To where you have your contemporary cabinet doors tend to be more solid without any kind of a panel in it or any kind of a detail. So it's a very clean look, and that's the difference really between your traditional style of cabinets and your contemporary style of cabinets is you have some architectural detailing that is predominant in more of your traditional styles to a very clean, fresh look for your contemporary styles. So that is basically the two predominant cabinet styles that you get into. And of course there can be variations. There's a lot of mixtures of that. You can get into some different looks by mixing your different styles within your cabinetry. There's really not a rule to what you're doing. But there are some predominant features and predominant styles that are based on taste and just based on what is common out there in the market. There are a lot of online tools that you can utilize today as far as looking at your layouts, looking at different type of cabinets. Very powerful tools that can actually, you can put dimensions in and actually get full 3D views of what cabinets might look. So I'm Tim Gibson with some tips on understanding cabinet styles.